So let's begin the video without wasting any time. You need to open the control panel first. Here maximize it. Here you go here view by category, choose a category, and here go on internet and network, and here go on network and sharing. In the left side you can see change adapter settings. Click on it, and here go on the this adapter. You have seen green lines or even X here which is not connected. You need to go right click on it and go to properties. Here you need to locate the internet protocol version 4. Double click on it, and here see if any manual DNS server is addressed or is enabled here. So you need to go here and obtain IP address automatically, same as DNS. Obtain DNS automatically, and then press OK. Then here OK, and then exit from this window. Step number 2 is again from the same window. You need to go on the same Wi-Fi properties you go on earlier. Right click on it, and here you can go and disable the network and then enable it once again. It will take a minute or two for enabling the network, and then restart your PC, then connect to your network again, and it will surely fix your problem. If it does not, then the step number 2 will be. So in the next step, you need to right click on the start menu, go on settings. Here you need to locate network and internet. Scroll down until you find advanced network setting. Click on it. Here scroll down a bit until you see network reset. Click on it, and here reset your network. And after that resetting is done, you need to restart your PC as it's shown here. Your PC will be restarted. It will be automatically restarted, or if it does not, then you need to restart it manually. And the next step will be, so the next step will be, you need to open your device manager, search for device manager. Here maximize it. Here you need to locate network adapters. Here in the network adapter you need to locate your Wi-Fi. For example, this is my Wi-Fi. Right click on it, and here go on update driver. Here go for browse my computer for drivers, and here go next list. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on it, and here choose the latest one. It usually show the network date here, but it does not in my case. So just I have only one here, so you need to put in at next, and after that installing drivers will be done. So after this, come on the same page again. If this does not work, right click on it, and here go on uninstall driver, and here go attempt to remove this device and press on uninstall. After that, wait for a few minutes. It will automatically install the latest drivers. And in most cases, these fixes will fix your issue. If it does not, then you need to check it manually or physically what is wrong with your Wi-Fi. Sometimes it's just the internet damage to the Wi-Fi you have in your motherboard and all that. Or even you can do you can update your Windows by going right click on it, and here go on settings, and here go Windows update, and go check for updates. If update has been came and you haven't updated, just update it, and it will most probably fix this issue. And these were all the fixes you can do software, so you can fix your issue. If it does not, you need to check it physically, as I said. So this was about the video. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe, and share, and thank you. Have a nice day.